titties, ass and titties, ass, titties, titties, ass and titties.
What is going on, Docs gang? How are we doing today? How are you doing today? I'm lovely. Okay, guys, today, you know what, honestly, I don't know how long this is gonna go. I know I did another anime video yesterday, but we're gonna do it again. I'm sorry, these samples are crazy. I don't know. It's my thing now, okay? I'm the new anime producer, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, today we are going to be making Murda Beatz type beat from this anime sample that I found. I found it a while ago, actually. I found it like another video, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna sample this in another video, and you know what? That's what I'm gonna do in this video. I'm gonna sample this sample that I found in another video. I don't know which one it is. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, please. Please. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and yeah, turn on post notifications too. Don't forget that as well when you subscribe. And join my Discord, all right? My Discord is popping. All right, I promise. You're gonna meet some cool people there. Join the Discord. Yo, this sun in my eyes right now, it's like right here, it's pissing me off. All right, it's peeking through this little slit in my window, and it's all right. Let's do it. All right, so this is the sample. It's Fantasy Star Universe Toku City. I don't know what anime. I've never seen this anime before. But some of you might enlighten me. I don't know. If you've seen it, let me know in the comments. But yeah, let's sample this thing. So let's open this up and see what we can loop. Alright, so you know what, let's play around with the sample. It's too raw right now, and I don't really feel any drums to it right now, so we're just gonna play around with it.
Years later.
Wait a minute. Alright, I just did something. I'm a genius. Alright, it's pretty interesting so far. I kind of want to just lay down some 808s right now. Don't know which ones though. So we'll try these. God, I said cut. No, I didn't. You know what? Let's get these 808s. I don't know. I feel like these 808s will work. Wait. Wait a minute. This is getting interesting. All right, let's work on these hi-hats real quick. What the hell? Is it the swing that's doing that? Go this here. I'm just copying and pasting this. Guys, this beat is heat, alright? This is really fire. I'm really enjoying this beat right now. Alright. Let me get these kicks in there. You know what? And just so that I can make this actually sound like a more of a Murda Beatz type beat, I'm gonna add a Lotus flute in there. See if I can add a Lotus flute and see if that'll work. But I doubt it will. I highly doubt Lotus flute will fit in this beat, but we'll see. All right, let's get this Lotus flute in there and add some flavor to this beat, and then we'll be done. All right. If I could just add a nice Lotus flute melody, I just don't know what. Just have this simple thing and then just slow it down. Actually, you know what? I don't even need to use Gross Beat because Gross Beat ruins it. Gross Beat stresses the damn. Okay, I got something, guys. I got something in my head. Alright guys, you know what? I'm gonna just leave it there. I'm gonna leave it there. The beat sounds good. Honestly, that sample turned out to be I don't even know. I'm probably gonna add more to this beat, but for now, we're done. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Of course, don't forget to turn on post notifications when you do subscribe, because that's mandatory. I don't know if you knew that or not, but now you know, so you're gonna do it, right? Okay, cool. But yeah, don't forget to join the Discord. Pop in there all the time, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.